Symmetric in programming means an operation or relation gives the same result both ways. Example, in equality, if A equal B, then B equal A. In encryption, symmetric means the same key is used to lock and unlock data.
A relation is transitive if whenever A, B, and B and C are in R, then AC must also be in R. In short, if A is related to B and B is related to C, then A must be related to C to be transitive.
A transitive relationship is a binary relationship R on a set where of any elements A, B, and C in a set if A is related to B and B is related to C, then A must also be related to C. Its property means the relation carried through from one element to next and then to next.
For a relation to be an equivalence relation, it must pass three tests such as transitive, reflexive, and symmetric. If relation satisfies all three, then it's an equivalence relation. In short, an equivalence relation is a special relation that groups things into categories because they are equal in some sense, same course, same type, same property. Equivalence relation provide a formal framework for grouping objects that are equivalent in particular contexts. This enables IT students to design more efficient, organized, and understandable systems and algorithms. That's all.
Partition. Ang set partition ay paghahati ng isang set into non-overlapping and non-empty subsets na tawag na blocks o parts na ang union ng lahat ng blocks ay ang pure math.
A function is a relation where each element and domain correspond to exactly one element in the domain. So basically in IT world, kung sa tanong input,
bijective function. Number 1, what is a bijective function? A function is bijective if it is injective, one-to-one, two different inputs map.
An inverse function essentially inverses the function. So in relation sa IT world, mura lang siya o data encryption nga i-transform ikan plain text into ciphertext. Yun.